I don't think people understand the power of a small donation, especially during the holidays. The holidays are coming, and yes, inflation is real. But here's a twist. With just $35, you could unlock a season of abundance and joy. Welcome to the Power of Abundance automated gifting community. Imagine a one-time $35 turning into a whopping $105,750. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. We bring together like-minded people who believe in the universal laws of giving and receiving. It's all about community, fun, and financial freedom. Join us for our Sunday evening presentations at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't miss our working Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for exciting raffle drawings. Start 2025 stress-free and full of possibilities. Together, we can tap into the power of abundance. So, are you ready to turn $35 into $105,750 this holiday season? Join us now, and let's make this the best holiday ever.